Hello everyone and welcome to Dillons Woodworks. On this channel we do everything from milling our own lumber with our small sawmill to showing you how we handle the lumber, handle the logs, and everything from maintaining and managing the equipment and sharing the whole process with you along the way, all the way to the drying process. We're actually going to be building a kiln very soon, a solar kiln for drying the lumber. Everything from sheds and chicken coops to small furniture to boxes, and I'm looking at getting a CNC machine and a lathe, so I'm going to be doing quite a bit more coming up. I'm going to be taking the sawmill and installing it on a trailer and taking that portable and mobile. I'm hoping to do some videos and show you how I pick up log at other locations and bring them back here, and the modifications that I've made to my trailer to enable me to do that a lot easier. So if these are the things you're interested in checking out on the channel, definitely hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you can get notified when we put out new videos. We just wanted to welcome you to Dillons Woodworks. Thank you for watching and hope to see you on our next video.